Hey guys, okay, I am back. Wow. This is a two-part subscriber mail series. I didn't think it would be a two-part video by any means. And one of my subscribers, make sure you're watching part one already. It was about 25 minutes long. I've still got a box and a half of stuff to go through. And I'm trying to move quickly. So let's talk more unpacking. So another USA sign. I really like this one a lot. I'm probably not even going to change that, honestly, because I think that that's kind of perfect for the holiday. Oh, this is cute too. Oh, I like that one a lot because my dad was in the military, so this kind of stuff is important to me. These are cute little wooden, little wooden. They're not stickers, but they are stickers. Oh, but they're wood. Interesting. But look, there's like flip-flops and stuff. I do have some of those too, so I will pay those forward. So thank you. Oh, the adhesive sponge, the glue eraser. I have not seen that before, so putting that up on the desk. And then these are they're like chalk. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, they're chalk markers. And I have a huge chalkboard in my kitchen, so thank you. Finger protectors, because I'm always burning my fingers. Putting those up on the desk. A great happy holiday sign, which is always fun to reuse. Oh, this is fun. I have one of these, and I picked one of these up in my last haul. And it says pool. Super cute, right? Super, super cute. Oh, it's Oscar. It's Oscar the Grouch for the trash can. Put him up there with the trash can. Some burlap ribbon. Black and white check fabric. I can make a mask with those. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm breaking out right here. I'm allergic to the elastic on the mask. It's like, okay, great. We'll just add that to the pile. Oh, this is cute. It's one of those kits, and it's a little birdhouse. So that is adorable. Oh, speaking of birdhouse. Oh, that one's adorable. I've not seen those before. It's metal. I wonder if this couldn't have come from Dollar Tree. Nope, it's got a $5 price tag on it, so I think it probably came from Michael's, hopefully in a haul. That's adorable. That's gonna go out in the yard like today. Otis is looking at all this stuff like, oh yeah, what am I gonna get? Cute sign, chalkboard sign. More like little chalkboard tags. Those are great. When I get all my bins set up here, I'm gonna label all of those too. What is this? LED blocks. Oh, they're like Legos, but they light up. Shut up. How cute are those? I'm gonna just put those on the desk too. There's a book. I read. Oh, are you kidding me? Reinventing IKEA. 70 DIY projects to transform IKEA essentials. Oh my God, look at that table, y'all. Look at that table right there. And you do it with these magazine holders. I need that table. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, I gotta move fast. I'm sorry. Another holiday tag. We still got stuff, y'all. We still got stuff. What are these? Oh, this is a puzzle. Oh, this is cool. I think they're like decorative puzzle pieces. And there's all different kinds of puzzles. That could be really fun. Oh wow, what are these? Plastic rubbing plates. Oh, okay. Sorry, I was thinking dirty there for a minute. So you put like a piece of paper on top of it, and you rub it with a pencil, and then it kind of creates those designs. So that's really cute. And I have not seen these before, and I'm kind of obsessing with these. And I need to know where these came from. They are mosaic mirrored stickers. How cool are those? Oh, I've got ideas for those. Up on the desk. Oh, another one of those plates. That's really cute. Another one. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Little Hello Spring, like little wooden signs. Those are fun for the garden. I got like 4 of those, so I'm gonna probably add one of those. Oh, this is fun. Some of the leftover, that sounds so bad, but some of the Thanksgiving things, those are cute. I gotta go fast because I know I'm gonna bore you guys to death. Cute, that's adorable. Oh, unicorn. The unicorns in my neighborhood are the people like me. Got that, that's really cute. Ribbon, some more of that decorative twine, that's really cute. Oh gosh, there's so many little things in here. My cat and I talk trash about you. That magnet, that's funny. Mr. Otis. Oh, those are cute. Magnetic hooks. Those will go up on the desk because I got a magnet board. That is so fun. It's a pen. That's gonna go up on the desk. Otis just looked at it like it was a toy. Wide angle smartphone lens. Really? Oh, that's cool. You clip it on your smartphone and it turns it into like a... Y'all, this is like Christmas on steroids. Playing cards, but they're unicorns. How cute. Oh my God. Oh. More mirrored tiles and all these colors. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Bamboo cutting boards. Got one of the cutter paper things from, or the cutting board from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put that in a pay it forward gift. Some more of these. These are so cute, y'all. This is insane. I'm trying to go really fast. Got this heart. Oh, those are cute little like paper clips, but they're unicorns up on the desk. This is cute. A little easel. How adorable is that? Another chalk pen in purple. That's adorable. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that's funny. They stuck the twine on it upside down, but it says welcome to, and then you can personalize it with your own. I love that. I love that, actually. Oh, this is cute. It's a bottle opener. Otis is like, what in the hell is going on with all this stuff, Dad? Go ask the cat. Magnet. That's hilarious. Little glass containers. I love these, and I'm trying to figure out what the heck to do with them. Because I picked some up at Dollar Tree. Oh, this is great. This is really cute. It's just like a wood plaque. I love that. Girl, you must have gone broke buying all this stuff. Then one of those. All right, box number 2 is empty. Now, the last box. And I promise I'm going fast because we're only 7 minutes in and I'm doing good because my last video was like 20 minutes long. All right. Y'all, I don't even know where I'm going to put all this stuff. Ugh. Like, I might have to... Well, I know I'm going to because I believe in paying it forward. I am going to do a contest very, very soon. And it's clearly going to be co-sponsored by Belinda. Holy crap. Ooh. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? All right. You know those boards like where you put messages and stuff on them, right? They're so fun. This one has flamingos on it. I have pink flamingos outside in my yard, and I think I'm gonna have to figure out a way to protect this. Is it plastic? Let me see. Ooh, it feels like it's plastic. That's good. I want to put this outside on the porch, like on the deck in the back, and like when I have parties, like put a message or something on it. That's adorable. That's adorable. Ooh. Oh my God, I've been looking for these forever. Oh my God. The 3D wreath forms. Oh. And she sent me 3 of the small ones and some of the large ones. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have... Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is cute. These are cute trays for my patio. Girl, I'm gonna have a party like crazy. what is this? This is, oh, this is cute. It's like a, I think it's like a, I don't know if you write on it or maybe you can write on it. Those are cute. They're just like easel back and like, surely you can write on that with like a chalk pen or something. There's nothing on there that says what they are, but wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Little wood tray. That's cool. Wow. I'd follow you. That's cute too. That's a fun sign too. That would be a cool tray in itself just because of the way it looks. If you take the hanging hardware off the back, that would be a good sized tray for like the back of a toilet. Ooh. I was working on a more ping pong balls. This is fantastic. I can make a very long train with these. Oh, these are beautiful. Check out those bundles of flowers. Look at those. How beautiful. I might actually give these to my mom because my mom always decorates the cemetery where my grandparents are buried. And she does it with, you know, faux flowers because they last longer. And I think my grandmother would really like these. So that's probably where these are going to go. So thank you. Another one of those trays. This is great. I'm moving fast. I'm moving fast. Wow. Lots of door hangers. Lots of wreath door hangers. Which is great because I do like the different colors of them depending on what I've got, you know, going on out there. So that's awesome. What is this? Shut up. It's a gnome, and he's on a stick, so I can put him out in the yard too. That's really cute. We're gonna wait on those. Oh wow, more of these. Good Lord, I'm gonna have like a 9-foot long, oversized tassel. That's gonna be amazing. Oh, I love these frames. These little 3D frames that have the stars in them. This is great. I have not seen this before. It's like a watering can, and then it's also a spray bottle. I was just pointing it at Otis. Oh, cute, another gnome. That's so cute. I may end up paying one of those forward too. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I'd seen these that somebody had in one of their hauls at Dollar Tree, but I was never able to find any. But isn't that cute? It reminds me of that wooden spoon flower that I make. So those are cute. And then, whoa. All right, let me get all these out. These are cute. They're a little tangled, but they're cute. Let's see. Is it all one thing? Nope, it's not. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Welcome. And then, God bless the USA. That's really adorable. I thought my mom would like one of those. Oh, and this one's adorable too. This is gonna make for a fun wreath. Y'all, there's gonna be a fun 4th of July wreath coming. And then, oh my gosh, these are amazing. Look at this. All these great, great faux plants. Like, just beautiful. Beautiful for doing all kinds of fun stuff with. Y'all, this is too much. This is crazy. I know I'm not supposed to say that because we're supposed to be thankful and paying it forward. And look at that little critter. He's cute. And then lots and lots and lots of faux plants and succulents and greenery and stuff that I never seem to have enough of when I'm like staging something for a video and trying to make it look pretty, and I never have any kind of, look at that one. That one's cute. Like I never seem to have enough of this kind of stuff to stage something, and I always feel like it looks bootleg whenever I do it, and now I have no excuses. Look at that one, that one's fun. How cute. Oh, look at those. It's funny because it looks like something that was in my yard that I ran over with the lawnmower the other day. But I always think they're pretty. Like I love the pussy willows. I think they're beautiful, but it's not working. That's how you know it's good. But more succulents and more, just more. This is great. Thank you so much, Belinda. Seriously, thank you so much. I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. And there's so much great stuff in here that I absolutely love. And you definitely put a smile on my face, and you definitely are going to see me pay this forward. So that's going to conclude the video. And again, thank you so much. Wow. And nobody else, please don't send me anything like this again. Please, please, this is way too much. This is way, way, way too much. But I'm going to definitely pay this forward. So thank you again. Bye, Belinda. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Have a good day. Happy Monday. Look at my hair. It's a mess. Oh, my gosh.